Meet the piping plover, one of the tiniest, most adorable shorebirds you will ever see. This migratory shorebird called the sandy beaches of Atlantic Canada and the Great Lakes home, where the soft sandy colors make them almost invisible in their surroundings. But even though they are tiny, they have big challenges. They are sensitive to disturbances like off-leash dogs or ATVs that can accidentally harm their nests. These precious little birds need a safe, quiet beach to thrive. Let's protect their homes so these tiny wonders can continue to bring joy to our shores.